and the health of your family. People die when they shouldn't die. People get sick when they shouldn't get sick. The vast majority of us have an appalling way of managing our own health. We eat rubbish, we don't exercise enough, and expect to live until we're 100. Doctors have access to hospital technology, so they can test your body sample fluid to know what's going on inside your body at a molecular level. Healthcare institutions lack the time and resources to provide everyone continuous advice and ongoing tracking. Hospital technology is used when you're already sick, but ZIO technology is used to prevent sickness. Our technology senses particular molecules in different fluids using electrochemical-based sensing mechanisms. We can detect parameters in blood, saliva, breast milk, and other body samples. And with our new technology, we've effectively shrunk down a particularly large laboratory machine into something that's small, easy to use, and affordable that even someone in the home can use. So imagine yourself in the home. You'd select a test cartridge depending upon the body fluid and parameters you wish to test. In this case, breast milk. You pour a sample into the test cartridge, insert it into the device, and after a few minutes of analysis, you get your test results sent to the ZIO smartphone app, which gives you advice on how you can optimize your parameters and even receive a remote connection to a doctor if required. So we're simplifying our route to the home diagnostics marketplace by initially focusing on breast milk analysis. One of my co-founders, Shaolin, recently had his first child in China and experienced firsthand the concerns many Chinese parents experience surrounding breast milk quality. A breast milk analyzer in China is not classified as a medical device, and so we are able to get our technology to market far more early to generate revenues to help fund some of our other tests and clinical trials. So introducing MilkSafe, a home-use breast milk analyzer we're launching into China. We hope with this product to promote breastfeeding for mothers in China, a country where many parents are concerned about how their exposure to pollution and unhealthy diets cause negative effects to their breast milk, which means they turn to the second best alternative, which is powdered milk, which has in the past had a number of contaminants and even fake products, which has caused serious harm or even death. So here are some of the initial 4 tests we'll be developing, we're currently developing and we'll be launching with our breast milk analyzer. Vitamin B12, vitamin D, DHA and IgA. We've chosen these based upon feedback from mothers and that we think will help to encourage breastfeeding. So the ZIO app includes your test results. It also includes diet, exercise recommendations. You also have the opportunity to have a remote connection to a doctor if required, and also features the ZIO marketplace where users can purchase our test cartridges and in the future third-party test cartridges that would work with our platform. So our point of entry is Guangdong province. This province, parents are particularly aware of the, particularly concerned around breast milk quality. It's also one of the wealthiest provinces, with parents going to excessive expense to get hold of powdered milk products, and parents on average spend $120 per month. So we have 2 revenue streams initially: the sale of our devices and a recurring revenue we have from monthly subscription to the disposable single-use test cartridges that are used with the device. In the future, we can also generate revenues from the data that we gather and also the entire marketplace with third-party cartridges. So our route to market includes collaborations with baby mother companies to promote breastfeeding with their bloggers and with their users and also online bloggers. We'll be giving devices to a number of breastfeeding centres so the mothers can trial the device, download the app, and really later on potentially purchase our product online before offline. We have two main competitors focused on the home, both focused on blood testing analysis, initially in Europe and USA. Our product has high sensitivity, which means that we can get a lower cost of test cartridges. And because we're focused on breast milk analysis, we can generate earlier revenues. Mirrors is a hospital-use only milk test device. So this is some of our traction to date. Some of the key points to mention is that the China government is currently working with UNICEF to promote breastfeeding in China by introducing new breastfeeding centres and improving the breastfeeding rates to 50% of the population in China by 2020. This is our team. It includes a medical doctor,